This is the front door, and just off the front door is the laundry. And yeah, we're doing laundry. We've been out 3 weeks and we need to wash and dry our clothes. This is the bathroom for my grandkids. This is one of the bedrooms. This is a queen size bed. Down the hall again, a little bit. This is a room for like 4 kids. Got a bunk up above, a double bed below, and below that, right down there, is a pull-out, a trundle bed for another person. And this is another bedroom, king-size bedroom. Daughter put me up on the 3rd floor thinking that was the best place for me because probably once we're in for the night, we're in, and I wouldn't have to go up and down the steps. But she said if it becomes a problem, she'll move up to the other bedroom and I can have this one. And this is their bathroom. And I like the colors. They look really beachy. They have a deck also, just not as high as ours. And they have a rope lounger here. And that's the opening to another bedroom, the one that has the double bed and the single bed on the top. And then, are you ready? Yeah, we have a hot tub. Isn't that cool? This is the deck. And apparently, you get shade in the afternoon here. And down there is the ocean. How far the boardwalk goes, I don't know. Don't know if it goes to the ocean or it doesn't. I have no idea. Here's chairs you can sit at. And then back here is a bench with seashells next to it. Coming up the steps, come to what is the 2nd floor, which takes you into the kitchen dining room. Right there is the computer center. And we're supposed to have Wi-Fi, but I haven't looked at the book to find out what we have and our number and everything. There's our kitchen, and this is our dining room. And over here is the living room with an L-shaped leather couch and 3 chairs that swivel. Take you on through here. This is the guest bathroom. This is our bedroom. King-size bed. Towels are provided along with sheets. We have 2 chairs if we want to get away from people to sit here. This is our bathroom. Haven't unloaded stuff yet, so we have a lot of work to do before we settle in. And right behind here is our shower. This house will accommodate 12 people. So that's the tour of this place. I think it's quite nice.